This 5-minute solution will show you how to add multiple email accounts on iPhone. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on Mail, Accounts, Add Account, select Google, enter here your another email account. Tap on Next. Enter here your email account password. Tap on Next. Tap on Allow. Tap on Save. And now if I tap on my accounts, as you can see, I've added multiple email accounts. This is first one and this is my second one. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.